want to go on in a Jamaica Rasta. I want really go on in my country. Me love so much Rasta, make so much sacrifice for. Imagine seeing some people is accused of stealing light. And when I talk about JPS, because JPS are the people who own the whole lighting system in Jamaica. Them now have no competition. Seeing? And them people here, seeing what them do is whole of people are thief light. We know that. So whole of people are thief light. Some people just don't want to pay no light. But at the same time, if you have 100 people living in our community and 70 person are thief light, you can't lock out the light for the next 30 person. How can I idiot think that? JPS, I want to deal with Rasta. Try to respect the people and respect the community them. Can be sure, say for Upper Beverly's or Cherry Gardens or Jackson or all kind of hills, them think that even if 1 million people are thief light up there, we're not going to go up, they're going to lock out the people them, because you know the consequences is severe. But you know, it's coming at the poor areas them, where the people them can't even afford them expensive light bill when I bring compound people. Yo, I wanna do. This is Jamaica, this is our country, you know. We need light, water, we need food. Seeing the people them need a whole heap of things, Rasta. And if you think about paying a light bill for thousands of dollars every week or every month as gonna bring the bill them. Cause it's like a every week thing, you know. Every 3 weeks a month, you know. So I'm about to talk about every 4 weeks, every 3 months, every 3 weeks, poor people, all light.